Hello automation fans. In this video I want to give you a quick overview how you can install Automation Studio 4.12 or Automation Studio 6 by B&R Automation and how you can test the software for free. I already have a video showing you how to download and install Automation Studio 4.12 by B&R Automation, and in this video I will show you real quick how you can download, install and activate the software with the evaluation license. So the first step will be to go to the B&R Automation website, download the installer files for the software you want to use. You can either use Automation Studio 6 or you can also use Automation Studio 4 if you prefer so. The next step would be to install the software on your machine, and in the first step we will go online and I will show you how you can create an evaluation license key so that you can test the software for free for 90 days. So to download the installer files, we go to the B&R Automation website, as you can see here. Then we go on the top right corner, we click on Downloads. In the download section, in the product groups, we select Software. In the Software dropdown, we select Automation Studio, and in Automation Studio, we select Automation Studio 6 or Automation Studio 4. First, I will show you Automation Studio 6. So on the top here, you can find the newest installer version for Automation Studio 6. To download this installer, you click on this little download icon here. So the download has started. I will stop it again since I have it already downloaded on my machine. If you prefer to download and use Automation Studio 4, we choose Automation Studio 4.12 here. And again, on the top, we will find the installer file for Automation Studio 4. You can again click on the download icon to download the installer file. And the download will start immediately. I will also cancel this download now since I have it already installed on my machine. Now, if you have not yet installed the software, we can find our downloads, and these are zipped containers. So first we need to unzip them. For example, I will right click here and choose 7-zip, for example. You can also choose a different zipping program, and then we extract it to the folder. I have it already extracted, and I have done this for both versions, 4.12 and 6.5. If we want to install the software, we double-click the extracted folder, and here you will find an install file. This is the executable for the installer program. We double-click it, and the installer starts. In this case, this is the installer for Automation Studio 4.12. I will go for English, and I will click on Install Automation Studio. Now Windows asks me whether I want to accept that this program can make changes to my machine. I will accept by clicking on Yes. And now the installation process starts. I click on Next. Here I will accept the license agreement. I click on Next. I will choose the default location, and I will not click Next now since I have already the program installed, but if you don't have it installed yet, you can click on Next and then you can start the installation. This usually takes a couple of minutes depending on your machine. It can be a bit faster or a bit slower, but be prepared to maybe wait for 15 minutes or so. I will cancel the installation now since I have it already installed. Yes, I'm going to cancel it, and I will close the installer again. If I wanted to install Automation Studio 6 instead, I will go into the folder, and again there's an install executable here. I double click it and the installer starts. Again, I will choose English. I click on install. Again, Windows asks me if I want to accept this program. I click on yes. I click next. Again, I will accept the license agreements. I click on next again. And again, I will cancel the installation here since I have it already installed on my machine. But if you haven't installed it yet, you can click on next and then you can start the installation. Again, it will take a couple of minutes until the program is fully installed. I cancel it here. And while your program is installing on your machine, I will show you how you can obtain an evaluation license to test the program. We go back to the B&R Automation homepage. And here we click on service, or we don't click on service, we just go to service and hover the mouse, and then we go to software registration. So we click on software registration. And here you can see an overview of different license models for B&R Automation. And on the top here you can see free testing. So there's a way that you can freely test the software for 90 days, but beware that this is only allowed for testing purposes. So this is not allowed for commercial purposes or to use for any productive system. So please make sure to read the license agreements carefully so that you know what you're allowed to do with the license. And you can request this license for 90 days. And if the 90 days are over, you can again request a new period for 90 days for further testing. So to get to the license key, we click on Request Free Evaluation License. And here you can see the first link is to create the 90-day evaluation license, and the second link is to the end-user license agreement. And please make sure to go here and read this license agreement so that you know what you're allowed to do with this license. I will click on the first link here, Evaluation License for Automation Studio. And here we see a form where we can enter our personal data and also our company data and also our email address. And after you fill out this form, you accept the license agreement here and you click on the Send Request button. You will receive an email from B&R Automation to your email address that you provided here in this form. And in this email, you will see the license code for your trial license. I have done this before, so I will not fill out my data, but you can do so now. You can fill out your data and then you can send the request. You will receive a mail immediately, and this mail will look similar to this one that I show you here. Don't worry, it's mine is in German because I choose the German homepage, but if you choose the English homepage, you will receive an English mail, of course. And here we have our license key. This is the license key for the trial period. I will just copy it. I close it again. All right, once we have our license key copied, we can open Automation Studio. Automation Studio will automatically create a desktop shortcut for you when you install it. So here I have both Automation Studio 6 and Automation Studio 4.12. And when you open Automation Studio for the first time after the installation, Automation Studio will ask you for your license key or for your license dongle. And since you have now already created your evaluation license online, you can enter your license key in the first startup of the program. I will start Automation Studio 4.12 by double-clicking the icon here. And it will take a couple of seconds to load. And also, since I have it already activated before, I will not need to enter the license every time. And it shows me that I have 84 days left in this evaluation period. So when you open it for the first time after the installation, you will need to enter your license code. But after that, when you open it again, you do not need to enter the license key again. And I click on OK here. It will take a couple moments to load the software. And now it will start Automation Studio. It shows me here that has been an error on the last start. I will discard this report and I will wait a couple of moments more until Automation Studio is fully started and loaded. Looks good. I think it's ready. So if we want to check if my license is working and how many days I have left for this evaluation period, I can go here on Help and then to About Automation Studio. And here I can see that I'm on an evaluation license and my evaluation license is still valid for 84 days. So I can always go back here and check how long I have left to test the program and to evaluate it. And this is exactly the same process for Automation Studio 6 as well. So if you prefer to install Automation Studio 6, it's the same. So the first time you start the program after installation, it will ask you for your license key or for your license dongle. And here you can enter your evaluation license key. Then the program will start as you can see here. And again, I want to tell you, please make sure to read the license agreement and read it so you can be sure what you're allowed to do with this license. So it, of course, cannot be used for any productive system or for any commercial purposes. This is meant to test the software. So please be sure to read it and use it with your own responsibility. Besides that, I think personally it's a really great feature that you can test the software for free before actually buying it for any commercial use. I think it's also great if you are into learning the software and if you want to just check it out without any financial risk involved. And I'm very, very glad that B&R Automation is offering this evaluation license so that you can test the software before you buy it. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for staying with me and for following. If you're interested in other interesting automation or engineering topics, please make sure to check out my other videos. Thanks a lot and have a great day.